What's up, ladies bushcrafting fans? This is John. So I'm going to do also another Firepot review as well, like Owen just did. So I'm going to do the vegan Orzo Bolognese. I've heard that this is actually a really positive reviews from friends and things like that, that this is a really good brand. I think it's pretty new, or at least I just found it at the REI. I put 2 cups in there, and I got to pinch it at level 6. What? Anyways, I put I put two cups in here, and then I just sealed it. So I'm not exactly sure what it means by level 6. I suppose if you don't have a measuring, you just like fill the water up to like the level 6. You can see there's like little gradations here. For me, whatever, I just put my cup already has like markers, so I know how much it is. So I put this in, and I boiled the water. I kept it sealed for 15 minutes, so this will be a first taste. My initial impressions when I looked into it was that it was a pretty dense and hefty meal. All right. And this is supposed to be vegan bolognese, so there's orzo. You can see the little rice kernels there. And I guess this is sort of fake meat, textured vegetable protein. It's kind of like a tomato, some sort of like a tomato sauce flavor, smell to it. And first impressions are generally positive. The orzo is not overcooked. It's not undercooked. It's kind of a little bit, definitely got a little bit of a mush thing going on, but you can see the individual kernels of rice. Yeah, definitely like kind of a standard tomato sauce flavor. The textured vegetable protein, I guess, does add a little bit, adds a little bit of texture contrast. What I would say, this is basically like a tomato sauce based sort of almost pasta dish, because it has the orzo, it has the fake meats in there. I would say it's pretty good. I was told this was like an amazing meal or that kind of thing. I would say it's fine. I mean, I would say it's definitely better than your standard kind of mountain house meal. I think it's a little bit of a cut above that. For the relatively small packaging, you do get quite a few calories. This is 780 calories here. Owen reviewed the sodium. So this is only 990 milligrams of sodium, which is 43% of your daily sort of value. Yeah, I mean, I think it's pretty good. I think there's definitely like kind of a factor where the everything kind of sticks to each other. It definitely seems like there's not going to be any sort of soup going on here. Like this is the 2 cups is definitely enough to just sort of rehydrate this and let this be more of a drier meal. Not so much like not like so much of a soup or a kind of that pasta sauce. There's definitely a pasta sauce flavor, but there's not really any kind of liquid in here, so to speak. So I guess it's a little different. I like it. I'm going to continue eating this. I think this is a perfectly fine meal. Sort of standard vegetable, meat, tomato sauce dish kind of thing. Yeah. If I were to give a rating, I don't know that I can give a rating right now, honestly. Like I said, I think it's better than probably your traditional mountain house. It's probably on par with like one of the better meals from Backpacker's Pantry. I don't know if I could give this like a full rating. I don't think it's bad. I don't think it's like blowing my socks off. It's just pretty decent. So I'll catch you guys in the next video, and maybe we'll review some more things while we're on this trip.